Hi everyone, follow along with me today as I turn this into this. In this video I'm going to be doing something totally different and crafty and rather experimental. I'm going to be painting the back wall of our garage, putting some flowers on it and just trying to make it pretty. It's something I've wanted to do for a while. It's in an area that really nobody's going to see, so if it's a disaster nobody will know, and I can always paint over it. So we're going to have a little bit of fun, and I hope you'll follow along to the end to see how it turns out. Wish me luck. First thing I'm going to do is clean the surface. Okay, it actually wasn't too dirty because my husband just painted it last year. So I've given it a sweep, and now I'm going to wash the walls down quickly with just a little bit of soapy water, and then I'll let it dry thoroughly. Okay, that's all done. Give it a couple minutes to dry. While that's drying, let's take a closer look at what I'm going to be using. I've got some chalk that I'm going to be doing my outline with, just some different size brushes. I've got a little paint tray there. I'm not sure if I'll use that, but I've got it. And then I've just got acrylic paints. I got those from the dollar store, and I was told that they should be okay in the water, and they are permanent, so hopefully they'll stand up with the weather. In preparation for this, what I did was some research, and I looked up some flowers and butterflies, and just to get an idea of what I might want to do. And then I have done a little bit of a sketch, so I'm going to try to go by that. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with chalk, and I'm going to do the design on the walls. I found some colored chalk, so hopefully I can do that and get an idea. And chalk is easy enough. If it doesn't work out, I'll just wipe it off. So I'm going to get started. Okay, so I'm going to use the chalk, and I'm going to outline my design. I put my design up here so I can refer to it. I think I need something to kneel on, so that's the first thing I gotta do, is go get something to kneel on. Not quite sure what I'm doing here, so bear with me. I've got my rough design done now. It was actually trickier than I thought, and it's pretty rough, but I'm hoping when I do the painting that I can refine the lines, and where they're a little bit uneven, make them even with the paint, and then figure out the colors as I go. I'm just going to start on one and see what happens. So, not even sure what, okay, so this one's going to be like a sunflower, so I'm going to just start and go over it, going over top of the chalk. here's my final mural. It turned out pretty good, actually. I don't think we'll be painting over it anytime soon. It's nice and cheerful, and you could say it looks like some school kids did it, but it's definitely not professional, but I think it looks kind of cute. So we're gonna leave it as is, and maybe next year I'll extend it a little further and get creative again. We'll have to see. But it was a lot of fun. It took me about 20 hours to do, and just some tips that made it really helpful and easier to do was I outlined it in chalk and was able to paint over that and then just wipe the chalk off after. I did several coats on colors like the yellow and the pink and the blues to make them really stand out and be solid colors so they're nice and bright. And I just used my imagination. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd really like to hear from you. You've been listening to the Simple Living channel. My name's Lori, and if you like this video and my mural, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Take care, everybody, and have a great day.